Good morning, children. Open English first book, lesson 9. Lesson name is Happy Mother's Day. In this story, there is a small child. Her name is Nia, and she wants to give a gift to her mother on Mother's Day, but she is confused what should she give to her mother. Now listen carefully. One fine day in the month of May, Nia ran to her best friend Honey. I have a problem, Nia told Honey. Mother's Day is almost here and I don't know what to give my mama. Do you have any idea? Children, in the month of May, the day was very fine, full of happiness because that day was Mother's Day, and a small child here, she is very happy and she is confused. What should she give her mother as a gift on Mother's Day? So she is asking to her best friend, what gift should be give? Let me think, said Honey. He thought very hard. Think. A gift for Mother's Day. Luckily, Honey spotted a small pouch of chocolates lying in his cupboard. After listening this, Honey was Nia's best friend. He was thinking. After thinking, suddenly, he saw a pouch of chocolates in his cupboard. So he suggests Nia to give chocolate to her mother. Do they? Asked Nia. After listening, Nia became surprised and saying, will she like chocolate? Doesn't everybody? Honey asked. So Nia took the pouch of chocolates. She bounced by Kyrill's house as usual. Kyrill was working in her kitchen garden. Hello Nia, she said. What is there? What is the pouch? It is a pouch of chocolate, Nia explained, to give to my mama on Mother's Day. When Nia was coming from Honey, she was carrying a chocolate. Seeing that when she was coming from Honey, she was coming, but a small jumping was there. She was very happy about thinking Mother's Day, and she was carrying chocolate. After seeing that, Kyrill, who was working in kitchen garden, asked, what are you carrying this? Why are you carrying this? What is this? Then Nia explained that she is carrying a chocolate for Mother's Day. Kyrill frowned. No, she said. Mothers don't like chocolates. If there is one thing a mother wants to get on Mother's Day, it is a big bunch of freshly uprooted carrots. They do? Nia asked doubtfully. Oh yes, said Kyrill. She reached into her storehouse and pulled out a bunch of freshly picked carrots. After seeing Nia, Kyrill became aggressive and said, No, you should not give chocolates. All mothers don't like chocolate. So you should give fresh carrot, and that is in my kitchen garden, and I will give you. Kyrill gave her fresh carrot. After that, with pouch of chocolate, Nia is carrying a bunch of fresh carrots. Oh yes, said Carol. She reached into her house and pulled out a bunch of freshly picked carrots. Thanks, Carol. Then, after taking bunch of fresh carrots, Nia giving him thanks. What do you have there, Nia? Granny asked. Thanks, Carol, said Nia. Then she moved through the Granny's house. After coming from Carol's kitchen garden, now she reached to Granny's house. Granny asked, What are you carrying? Some gifts for my mama for Mother's Day, said Nia. After asking Granny, then Nia replied, I am carrying some gift for my mama to give her for Mother's Day. I suppose some mothers might like carrots or chocolates, but in my view, you can't go wrong with this softly knitted scarf, woolen scarf, hand woven. Yes, replied Granny. Take this, then Mama will be sure to have a happy Mother's Day if that's what she wants. Now Granny is giving her own view and saying you should give to your mother a knitted scarf, softly knitted scarf you should give your mother, then she became happy. Well, thank you, said Nia, tucking chocolates, carrots and scarf into her hand and heading for home. After listening, Nia taking chocolates, carrots and scarf also and moving to her home. Night fell. She kept thinking about the gift as she ate her dinner. She wondered which gift to give her mother as she put off her shoe and lay down in her bed. When she was taking dinner, at that time she was also thinking what should she give to her mother on Mother's Day, and she was very confused because others are giving different ideas, different view. After that she became very confused and at last she put off her shoes and lay down in her bed. The next morning, bright and early, Nia ran into the living room. Happy Mother's Day, Mama, she shouted and hugged tight her Mama. Thank you, but why such a tight hug, dear? Asked Mama. Next day, when she get up, she is saying day is very bright. It was very earlier and day is very bright, and at that time she was very happy. He ran to living room and saying in loud voice, Happy Mother's Day, Mama. After saying this, she hugged her mother. After this activity, her mother surprised and asking, and then her mother became happy and saying thank you, but she was surprised why Nia is doing like this and asking. I thought about what to give you, Nia explained. When her mother was very surprised after seeing her activity, Nia replied, Mama, I was very confused and thinking, what should you give as a gift on Mother's Day? Honey said chocolates, Carol said carrots, and Granny said the scarf. Nia was saying, explaining different types of view that she has got from others. Honey said for chocolates, Carol said for carrots, and Granny advised to give scarf. But I decided to give you this, she said, throwing her arms around her mother. She was saying, Mama, I have got different ideas as a gift, but at last I decided this is the best gift, that throwing her arms around her mama. Mama smiled. Thank you, Nia. That is the best Mother's Day gift for all. Read this chapter carefully. What was the best gift? The best gift of Mother's Day that Nia gave to her mother was a tight hug, a lovely touch for her mother by the child. Read lesson carefully. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Thank you.